Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. In today's meditation, you are guided to emerge anew, to begin again, to embrace a new beginning, to breathe in beautiful springtime life energy into your heart and release anything in the way of you knowing your divine nature. And I hope you enjoy this meditation and feel free to leave a comment, like, and subscribe and share this video. Light a candle or play your favorite relaxing music. Let's drop into today's healing meditation. We take a deep breath and feel our feet firmly planted on the ground. We turn our outer gaze inward. We visualize into our heart space. We bring our inner eye to the heart space, where we visualize green of the heart chakra, green, emerald green, glistening, glowing, bright, steady green, like a spring day. In our mind's eye, we envision ourselves with our feet firmly planted on the earth. And we look down and see our feet and beautiful new growth. We see green grass sprouting from the earth, surrounding us with new life, new beginnings, new possibilities, so much potential. We take a deep breath in with the earth, allowing this beautiful spring energy to come up through our feet into our hearts. We allow this beautiful earth energy to fill through our feet into our bones, into our bone marrow, into the muscles surrounding our bones, all the ligaments, tendons, fibers, cells, all the space within us fills with this beautiful earth energy. And we know that we are in a space of beginning again, beginning anew, opening ourselves to this springtime energy. We bring our focus to creativity, just as the earth is creating new life. We are creating anew within ourselves. We become aware of our divine connection to earth and sky. We feel this beautiful warmth of the sun, of God energy, flowing from source through us into our heart, combining with this beautiful emerald green to become this golden, shining, bright green. We take a deep breath into our heart space. We feel our divinity. We know that we are divine beings. We know that we are master creators. We remember that we are creating our lives new and fresh in every moment. We say thank you. Thank you to the earth, Thank you to the God spark that lives within each of us. Thank you to this beautiful universe surrounding us and holding us here on earth. And as we breathe in the energy of the beautiful earth, the sun, we breathe this life in to us. And as we do so, we begin to emerge ourselves, becoming like little plants, these little sprouts, these little shoots that begin to emerge and push out anything in the way. These sprouts push out old leaves, old branches to find their way to growing again, to thriving again, to shining again, to showing their brilliance again. And so we visualize ourselves sprouting, pushing out what we no longer need, just with so much ease. There's no force, there's just gentle expanding. There might be certain beliefs or thoughts, certain habits, actions in our lives that we just allow to be pushed off to the side, to be cleansed, to be released. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, visualize these sprouts gently emerging to push away anything that your being no longer needs. We breathe into the space of our divinity, knowing that we deserve this space. We were created to sit in this space of our divinity. And in our mind's eye, we can look out upon this beautiful sprouting green earth. And we know that we are not alone, for many others are with us, also in their new beginning, also sprouting again, beginning again, birthing anew, embracing their creative power. And we are meant to embrace this creative power, our divine nature. We're meant to walk this earth knowing our divinity. And we trust this beautiful path of our lives to bring us to the places where we need to go, to the people who we need to meet in order to continue to grow, live, expand, thrive, become, and love. And we come back to our feet, visualizing our feet in the beautiful grass. We come back to awareness of our physical body, our energy body, bursting with green and gold. We remember how blessed we are to walk this life. We say thank you. When you're ready, you can open your eyes and find your way toward your journal. Set a timer for at least 8 minutes to allow yourself to free write. Perhaps you will solidify some information from your meditation. Perhaps you will express some feelings or thoughts. Just trust that whatever you wish to write, whatever your being wishes to express, is perfect in this moment. See you next time. Much love.